Lily's algorithm has identified a location for another piece of the spear.
Following Iran's course.
Where is it, Gideon?
A small island known as Britannia in the year 507 AD.
Medieval England.
We're headed back to Arthurian times.
Why did you choose to dress like a leper?
I didn't. This is historically accurate. You all look like you're going to a Renaissance fair.
Nate, who's our historian, who's basically like, okay, all the legends you heard about Camelot, you know, they're just stories. It's stupid. People didn't ride around on white horses and, you know, joust in armor. It's actually squalid and disgusting. The real version is like, you know, it's not medieval times, so just calm down. And of course we get there and we realize it looks exactly like medieval times.
I am Guinevere. We shall escort you to Camelot.
It looks like the Disney version of Arthur's England.
Still think this is just a story?
The only problem is once we get there, we find that the Legion is trying to gather the pieces of the Spear of Destiny and to combine them and to use them for our own purposes.
Do your worst, knave. I'd rather die than surrender.
Then you are an idiot.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more from DC's Legends of Tomorrow.